This $28.99 Smart Bulb 4-pack has over 4.6 stars from 16,000 Amazon reviewers who say it completely transformed their home lighting, and it's just one of the 10 smart home upgrades I researched for you today. Every single one is under $50, highly rated by real users, and solves a specific home automation problem. I filtered through over 400,000 combined reviews, so you don't have to. Let's dive in.
First up, the Govee A19 Smart LED Bulbs 4-pack at $28.99, which breaks down to just $7.50 per bulb. Amazon reviewers consistently praise the vibrant 16 million color options and 1,000 lumen brightness that rivals bulbs costing 3 times more. The bulbs connect directly to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with no hub required, and they work seamlessly with both Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Users report the Govee Home app is intuitive with 54 preset scenes, including music sync mode that pulses lights to your audio. Setup takes about 3 minutes per bulb. Just screw it in, open the app, and connect. Reviewers love using these in bedrooms and living rooms for customizable ambiance, and the scheduling feature lets you automate lighting routines. The main complaint? The app can occasionally lag when switching colors, and they're not compatible with dimmer switches. With a 4.6 star rating across 16,977 reviews and 10,000 bought last month, these are a solid budget alternative to $50 Philips Hue bulbs.
Next, the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen at $49.99. Amazon reviewers consistently highlight the significantly improved sound quality over previous generations, with clear vocals and surprisingly powerful bass for such a compact speaker. This isn't just a speaker, it's your smart home hub, with full Alexa integration for controlling lights, thermostats, cameras, and over 100,000 compatible devices by voice. Users report the built-in temperature sensor is a useful addition for triggering automation routines, like turning on a fan when your room gets too warm. The setup is dead simple through the Alexa Cup, and it works flawlessly with Spotify, Apple Music, and other streaming services. Reviewers love placing these in kitchens for timers and recipes, bedrooms for alarms and weather updates, and offices for quick information. The main complaint? Sound distorts at high volumes, so it's not ideal for parties. And the 5th Gen removed the 3.5mm audio jack that the 4th Gen had. With a 4.7 star rating and seamless ecosystem integration, this is essential for anyone building an Alexa-powered smart home.
Third, the 5 Kasa Smart Plug Mini EP25 4-pack at $43.99, which is about $11 per plug. Amazon reviewers consistently praise the compact design that lets you stack 2 plugs per outlet without blocking the second socket, a huge advantage over bulkier competitors. The standout feature is real-time energy monitoring through the Kasa app, showing exactly how much electricity each device uses and helping users identify power-hungry appliances. Users report it works flawlessly with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings, making it one of the most versatile plugs available. Setup takes under 2 minutes. Plug it in, scan the QR code, and you're connected. Reviewers love using these for coffee makers that auto-start in the morning, lamps controlled by voice, and tracking energy costs on space heaters and fans. The scheduling feature is rock solid with quick response times. The main complaint? Some users report occasional connectivity drops over time, and they're only sold in multi-packs. With a 4.5 star rating across 25,740 reviews and 3,000 bought last month, these offer serious value for energy-conscious smart home users. Fourth, the 5th Wyze Cam V4 at $35.98. Amazon reviewers consistently highlight the impressive 2.5K QHD resolution and color night vision that captures vibrant footage even in complete darkness thanks to the built-in 70 lumen spotlight. This camera works both indoors and outdoors with an IP65 weather-resistant rating, handling rain and extreme temperatures without issues. Users report the Wi-Fi 6 support provides extended range and faster connection speeds compared to older models, and the Edge AI person detection accurately distinguishes between people, pets, and objects to reduce false alerts. Setup takes about 5 minutes through the Wyze app, and the 115-degree field of view covers entire rooms or driveways. Reviewers love the loud, clear, two-way audio for talking to delivery drivers or checking on pets. Plus, local microSD recording up to 512 gigabytes means no mandatory cloud subscription. The motion-activated spotlight is perfect for deterring package thieves. The main complaint? Some users feel the actual picture quality doesn't quite match the 2.5K spec in all lighting conditions. With a 4.4-star rating across 9,265 reviews and 10,000 bought last month, this is exceptional value for indoor-outdoor security.
All right, we're halfway through. So far, we've covered smart lighting, voice control, energy monitoring plugs, and security cameras. If you're already planning to buy one of these, drop a comment with which number. The next 5 products include my personal favorite for outdoor automation, so make sure you stick around. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. I post budget tech under $50 every single week. Let's keep going. 5th, the Video Doorbell at $34.99. Amazon reviewers consistently praise the crisp 1080p HD video quality and infrared night vision that clearly shows faces and package details at your front door. This doorbell runs on 2 AA batteries that last up to 2 years, according to users, eliminating the need for hardwiring. Perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want to deal with electrical work. Users report the motion detection alerts arrive within seconds on your phone, and the two-way audio is loud and clear for talking to visitors or delivery drivers. Setup takes about 10 minutes using the included mounting bracket and Blink app. Reviewers love the customizable motion zones that prevent alerts from passing cars, and it integrates seamlessly with Alexa for voice announcements like, "Someone is at the front door." The main complaints? Cloud storage requires a Blink subscription plan after the free trial, and some users wish the field of view was wider than 135 degrees. With a 4.3-star rating across 9,822 reviews and 10,000 bought last month, this is the most affordable video doorbell with solid performance and no wiring hassles.
Wyze Bulb Color at $24.99 for a 2-pack, which is just $12.50 per bulb. Amazon reviewers consistently highlight the excellent color accuracy and smooth dimming from 1% to 100% without flickering or buzzing. These 1100 lumen bulbs are brighter than many competitors and connect directly to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with no hub required. Users report the Wyze app is simple and responsive, with 16 million color options, preset scenes like sunset and ocean, and scheduling that works reliably. Setup takes about 2 minutes per bulb. Screw it in, open the app, and connect. Reviewers love using these in bedrooms for wake-up routines that gradually brighten and in living rooms for movie night ambiance. The bulbs work with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control, and the vacation mode randomly turns lights on and off to simulate someone being home. The main complaint? The Wyze app occasionally requires reconnecting bulbs after Wi-Fi router changes, and there's no Apple HomeKit support. With a 4.5-star rating and consistent performance, these are the best budget alternative if you want reliable color-changing bulbs without the premium price tag.
7th, the Amazon Basics Smart Plug at $25.99. Amazon reviewers consistently praise the rock-solid connection and instant response times that outperform many third-party alternatives. This plug is designed specifically for the Alexa ecosystem, offering seamless integration with voice commands, routines, and schedules through the Alexa app. Users report setup is the simplest of any smart plug. Plug it in, open the Alexa app, and it's automatically detected within seconds. The compact design doesn't block adjacent outlets, and it handles up to 15 amps for most household devices. Reviewers love using these for lamps, fans, coffee makers, and holiday lights controlled by voice or automated schedules. The Away mode randomly turns devices on and off to make your home look occupied while traveling. The main complaint? It only works with Alexa, so if you're in the Google Home or Apple HomeKit ecosystem, this won't work for you. With a 4.5-star rating across 4,987 reviews and 10,000 bought last month, this is the best choice for Alexa users who want guaranteed compatibility and zero setup headaches.
Wyze Plug Outdoor at $20.73. Amazon reviewers consistently highlight the IP64 weather-resistant rating that handles rain, snow, and extreme temperatures without issues. This plug features 2 independently controlled outlets, so you can automate 2 separate devices, like string lights and a fountain, from one plug. Users report the extended Wi-Fi range works reliably even 50+ feet from routers, and the energy monitoring feature tracks power usage for each outlet separately. Setup takes about 3 minutes through the Wyze app, and it works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Reviewers love using these for holiday lights with sunset to sunrise schedules, outdoor fans on hot days, and pool pumps with custom timers. The vacation mode randomly cycles devices to deter burglars. The main complaint? The plug is bulky and may not fit in tight spaces behind furniture or planters, and some users wish it had 3 outlets instead of 2. With a 4.4-star rating across 3,422 reviews and 1,000 bought last month, this is the most affordable outdoor smart plug with dual outlets and energy monitoring.
9th, the 49 Blink Mini 2-pack at $49.99, which is $25 per camera. Amazon reviewers consistently praise the sharp 1080p HD video quality and clear infrared night vision that captures details in complete darkness. These compact cameras are designed for indoor use and plug directly into outlets, eliminating battery concerns. Users report the motion detection is highly accurate with instant phone alerts, and the two-way audio is loud enough for monitoring pets or talking to family members. Setup takes about 5 minutes per camera through the Blink app. Plug it in, scan the QR code, and position it. Reviewers love using these in nurseries for baby monitoring, living rooms for pet cameras, and entryways for package delivery alerts. The cameras integrate seamlessly with Alexa for voice commands and live view on Echo Show devices. The main complaint? Cloud storage requires a Blink subscription after the free trial, though local storage via USB drive is available with the optional sync module. With a 4.4-star rating across 305,195 reviews and 8,000 bought last month, this is exceptional value.
And 10th, Ring Alarm Smoke & Co. Listener at $34.99. Amazon reviewers consistently highlight how this smart device adds connectivity to existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms without replacing them, a game changer for renters or anyone with hardwired detectors. It listens for the T3 or T4 alarm patterns from your current detectors and instantly sends phone alerts wherever you are in the world. Users report the setup takes about 5 minutes, mount it near your existing alarm using the included adhesive or screws, connect through the Ring app, and run a test. The device uses Z-Wave technology to connect with Ring alarm base stations, creating a comprehensive safety network. Reviewers love the peace of mind when traveling or at work, knowing they'll get immediate alerts if smoke or CO is detected at home, plus it can trigger other Ring devices like cameras to start recording. The battery lasts up to 3 years according to users, and it works with both smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. The main complaint? It requires a Ring alarm base station to function, so it's not a standalone device, and it only works with alarms that use standard T3, T4 temporal patterns. Older or non-standard alarms may not be compatible. With a 4.4-star rating across 4,994 reviews and 2,000 bought last month, this is perfect for adding smart alerts to existing safety systems without expensive detector replacements. So there you have it. 10 smart home gadgets totaling $361.63 that would cost over $1,200 if you bought premium alternatives. That's over $800 in savings. Every single one has thousands of verified reviews and solves real problems, from automated lighting and voice control to security cameras and life-saving safety alerts. My top 3 picks? The Govee bulbs for the color options, the Echo Dot as your central hub, and the Wyze Cam V4 for indoor-outdoor security. But honestly, all 10 are solid choices depending on what your home needs. All the Amazon links are in the description below. I've organized them by category to make shopping easier. If this video helped you find your next smart home upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe for more budget tech under $50 every single week. Drop a comment telling me which number you're buying first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.